Yeah, I'd like to place an order.
How much you like?
Yeah, I'd like 3 orders of the garlic chicken.
And
And then 3 orders of the white rice.
then?
And, oh, you guys want soup? Sure. And then 3 orders of the wonton soup.
And then?
Oh, and some fortune cookies too. I think that's about it.
And then?
No, that's it.
And then?
No, and then. That's all I want.
And then?
Then nothing else, because I'm done ordering, okay?
And then?
No. See, all I want is 3 orders of the garlic chicken and the white rice.
And then?
And the soup, dude. Oh, and the wonton soup.
And then?
And the cookies fortune. Oh, okay, so it's just the rice, the chicken, the wonton soup, and the fortune cookies, and that's it. And then you can put it in a brown paper bag and put it in my hand because I'm ready to eat.
And then?
Look, I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games. No and then! No and then! No and then! No and then! It's really starting to piss me off, lady. And then I'm gonna come in there and I'm gonna put my foot up your caboose if you say and then again!
And then?